Avtar Meher Baba Ki Jai. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how Avtar Meher Baba came into my life. To tell you frankly, I had never ever heard of him. It was as if he was waiting for that moment to enter into my life. I lost Raghav, my son, and after that I was totally shattered. I did not know what to do. It was then that I met a lady by the name of Nan Umrigar who first introduced me to Avtar Meher Baba. She was the one who told me about Meher Baba and that he's the perfect healer. It was through a friend of mine and my spiritual guide Renuka that I could first visit the Samadhi of Avtar Meher Baba at Mehrabad. I visited Meher Baba's Samadhi for the first time in February 2019. What struck me most there was the silence and the calming effect that that place had. There was magic in the air, and it was so healing for all the pain and all the sorrow which was there in my heart. It was as if I was being put on a spiritual path where I realized that life goes on beyond this body, and our loved ones cross over only to a different dimension, and they are not there with us in the way we expect them to be, but they do exist. No wonder Meher Baba is called the perfect healer. He is the silent master. And going to the Samadhi and bowing your head there itself gives you so much of peace. It fills you with so much of calmness, and it gives you the strength to go on in life. I also realized that the Samadhi was one place which turned out to be like a pilgrim for all the visitors who were coming there. I never knew about the Samadhi before this. In 2019, I visited the Samadhi so many times, sometimes alone, sometimes with my family, and sometimes with my Baba lover friends. Each time it got me closer to Baba. I realized that Baba was probably opening a spiritual dimension for me, and I realized that my pains and sorrows were slowly melting away in the ocean of his love. Every time I went to the Samadhi, I came back more stronger, more ready to face life. It was in Mehrabad that I got the divine hug from my son Raghav. It's still an unbelievable incident, but I remember what Nan Auntie had told me. She said, when it will happen to you, then only you will believe it. And it actually did. And I'm so thankful to Meher Baba for that one meeting with my son in Mehrabad. It was magic for me, and it got my heart so much of peace. Today, my day starts with Meher Baba. I can feel his guidance coming to me so strongly. He is the one who tells us to live like a soul, to love him, and that is all he needs from us. Just complete our duties, not shirk our responsibilities, and continue to take his name come whatever. We should love him with all his heart. That's all he wants from us. He made me realize that the soul lives forever, and we can always feel the presence of our loved ones around us. And then, if we feel low, Baba is always there to help us, to guide us, and to support us. I'm so happy that I found Baba, and I hope that all of you also get to know Baba and get his blessings. Avtar Meher Baba Ki Jai. Today, my spiritual mantra is to take Baba's name as many times as I can during the day and dedicate all my deeds to Meher Baba. All my experiences are captured in my book, Hold On to His Daman, which is available on Amazon. I would request you to kindly read the book. That will help you connect with Baba in a much better way, and you would realize what my journey was through.